Hello and welcome to the channel. I just wanted to share a video of how I came across a whistle when accelerating just very gently and how I solved it. So you can probably hear it just about there. It only seems to happen on a very gentle throttle and also when you're maintaining speed, and it becomes really irritating. So this is how I solved that problem. So based on advice I was given, I checked the engine bay for any splits and tears in the air intake system. And sure enough, it didn't take me long to identify this very perished little bit of rubber. So I ordered a new part online, and here it is a couple of days later, ready to install. I saw 4 points of attachment before I could replace the part: the main inlet and outlet, the ribbed section that just pokes off the top, and then the sensor part as well. To give myself a bit more room in the engine bay, I decided to take off the airbox, and then I started loosening off the Jubilee clips. You can use a flathead screwdriver as I've done here, or a 7mm spanner or socket. Once you've loosened off all the Jubilee clips, it's just a case of removing the parts from the engine. A little bit of persuasion was needed here just to get the final bit off, and as you can see, the rubber has completely disintegrated. This part was well overdue for replacement. With the new Jubilee clips installed on the new part, I just made sure they all angled so I could access them to tighten them, and then it's a case of just reversing the procedure of taking it off. Again, a little bit of persuasion is needed here just to fit the parts back together. I found it helpful just to seat to one side and then push it so it pops onto the other side. So with the airbox fitted and tightened down, that about completes the work, so time to start it and just check there aren't any leaks and all the system is properly fitted. So you joined me a couple of days later, and I'm pleased to report that the whistle has now gone, and I don't know if it's just me, but it seems to be a little bit more responsive now as well. So that cost me £32 for the part online, and it took me the best part of sort of half an hour, 40 minutes to fit. So job done, all good. Hopefully that's given you the insight to identify the problem and fix it yourself. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.